Photographs of Intel's Crimson Canyon NUC have finally surfaced. WinFuture managed to get their hands on one that's powered by an Intel Core i3-8121U dual-core processor based on the Cannon Lake architecture. The NUCs come with 4GB or 8GB of memory, a 2.5-inch hard drive, built-in Wi-Fi 802.11 AC, and Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity. The Crimson Canyon NUC also features a discrete AMD Radeon graphics card. The Radeon 500 series reference in one of the screenshots along with the 2GB of GDDR5 on the packaging takes us to the conclusion that Intel is most likely integrating a Polaris-based graphics card into the Crimson Canyon NUC. It's highly unlikely that we will find the CPU and GPU on the same chip like the one in the Hades Canyon NUC. Instead, the GPU will probably be soldered directly to the motherboard itself. The Intel Core i3-8121U models, NUC8I3CYSM2 and NUC8I3CYSM3, start around €450, which roughly translates to $550. There was no mention when they will be available though.